That would be right.
Waterspout protection.
I do it. I just keep waking them up for you. But they're all sleeping right now. Here.
Helen Hunt.
They're all sleeping. Here's the other one.
That's where you look for that girl, Helen Hunt.
I shot this one right beside you.
HRS. Go to Helen Hunt.
I shot this one right beside you.
A plane's gonna go through it.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Once it hits that beach, it's gonna be. It's on there. Oh, it's moving now, boy.
That chopper, that's all he's doing, huh?
Yeah.
You know he's not a Vietnam pilot, he'd be all up in that. Wow, right, you know, wound up.
Oh, we're closer than him. The wind.
We can get on the back side of it if we can get right next to it on the back side. There's see a line fish.
Sucking up all the small fish. Albert's bread and butter.
If you had a jet ski, you'd want to run right through that, right? Just duck down and hang onto the handlebars and just zip right through.
I would go straight to the beach and see if there's some fish. I've heard of them throwing fish on the beach before. But I think that's like schools of mullet. Can you imagine a school of mullet?
Going right towards that boat that ran ashore over there. I mean, lifeboard stand.
Whatever.
Watch out for that sunken boat on the beach.
Is there one on the beach?
Yeah, the one Julie found earlier.
Like in front of me. It's trying anyway.
You can't see the difference. Maybe that's why she can't see the fish either.
I got a big turtle right here.
Well, right to Margaritaville, everybody's in.
Turtle.
Big white turtle. Look how white he is. It's a white turtle. Right here. Albino turtle. Not even 100 feet from the boat. So right towards us, right there, lifts his head up. Our big leatherback. Look how white his head is. 50 feet off the boat.
He's a little bit to the left.
Take his 50 and times it by 3.
White one.
Hey. He's right there.
He's not brown. He's white.
He just went down.
Trying to escape that freaking waterspout. Waterspout's moving through Margaritaville.
That was cool, man. I mean, you saw how white he was.
Look at all the umbrellas. Imagine being on the flow rider when that hit.
Glad they put. I didn't know they put the camera there, but you can go on their website and watch the flow. It's awesome. Like I didn't know that was there. Look at it. I'll see if I. Oh, there goes one person up in the sky.
It looks like it's got a break up there almost.
Yeah, breaker. Cool how it like big and stuff.
I know. I still can't believe
believe how much water's coming off the surface. That is insane.
It needs to do another torrential downpour here, so it's sucking up all the water and drop all the rain later. That's how it works.
I got you.
It's a straw.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's feeding the rain on the right.
Yep.
Feeder.
Shore now. Look at like that.
Oh my gosh, it's almost gone.
Yeah.
Wow, that was quick.
Hey, there he is, probably half a mile away.
We're a half mile away. Let's see how far we actually are.
Wow. Just like that.